Hi guys, this is Anu here once again and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine today, and today's video is about how to contact Microsoft support team. So whenever we are doing some kind of work, whenever we are doing or setting up something and we come across a point where we are not able to understand what to do, of course we do check different videos, the way my videos or someone else videos. You do check some kind of documentations, everything, but still at certain point you do require someone's assistance, where you want someone to be on a call with you, assist you and understand why this issue you are facing, what settings you are missing, or maybe some issue on the Microsoft server end. So how to contact them is something which I will tell you quickly in this video. Let us begin. So we will first go to office.com. Once we reach office.com, you will see two options on the bottom right. One is feedback and the other is need help. So we will be clicking on this button, need help. Once we click on need help, you will see this box here which is briefly describe your issue. Just type one line. So now I will say how to create user. Just enter, hit enter. They will give you all kind of insights how you can do it, but once it is done, you just need to scroll down here and you will get user search to describe your issue and contact support. Click on this link. It will give you a page where you can describe your issue in detail, what exactly is happening, what is the error, etc. Confirm your number. Just click your country code, enter your number in this box. Confirm email address. If this email is not working, of course you can change it and put your email address which is working. This is the new one which I have just seen. If you do not want, whenever the support team will call you, if you do not want them to record your call, you can say no here. If you are okay with it, you can just say yes here. So that's it, nothing else. Preferred contact method, chat with the support agent or a phone call. What do you exactly want? So if you want it to be a phone, click on phone. If you want it to be an email, you say email. And if you have some kind of files, you can click on add a file and attach that. If you want any alternate language, if you do not want the English support, if you want alternate support, you can select your language here, and then when you enter all these details, this box will get enabled, that is contact me. If you are selecting the phone or anything, it will say contact me or call me. Just need to click on contact me. If you see here, okay, this is fine. So once you click on contact me, a support ticket will be created and they will tell you that this ticket is created and a support agent will get back to you soon. The email which you have given for support, on that email you will get an automated email that a ticket is created with this number, and once you get a call, you can start working on that case. And after that, how you should handle this support ticket will be explained by the support agent to you. So this is how you create the support ticket, and to track all the support tickets you can just click on this clock sign. For now I do not have anything, but when you create it, you will see the support tickets under this clock sign here. So this is it for today, just explaining what is and how to contact the support team, because this is a must, because I have seen a lot of people not knowing how to contact. So you can watch this tutorial. Thank you so much again for all your time, guys. Do subscribe, like, share and do comment. Thank you. I hope you all have a great day. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.